Okay, it's November 2nd, 2023. It's windy. According to Google, it's 38 degrees Fahrenheit, wind chill, 31 degrees Fahrenheit, just below freezing. And Thea's up here. Oh, come on, camera. I know what happens with this camera. Say hi, Thea.
Hi. We're planting trees today.
That's right.
We're planting different types of oaks. And the gimbal's not happy this morning because it's too cold for it.
Yeah.
And we got white oaks, swamp oaks, English oaks, and Tupelo.
Yep.
Right?
Yep. So this is the bed that we created this last week here, or a few days ago. Oh, this gimbal keeps shooting all over the place. What is with this thing? So this is like slop.
They will not get dehydrated.
No, they won't get dehydrated. And they're at ground level. So, and with the sand below it, with the fine sand, it should hold water and drain water. Oh, this gimbal is driving me nuts. So, Thea's doing this. Here's the rest of them in the back of Suki. You know, no matter what I do with this gimbal, it wants to just shoot up in the air for some reason. So here we are. I just got them unbagged. And because it's so wet, if you were to step there, you'd go right up to your waist. Isn't that right, hon?
That would be bad, because you'd have to save me.
Yes, of course. Okay. So this is one of the projects for today. Nice, beautiful fall day here in Central New York.
Because the sun is shining and we go outside.
That's right. So while Thea's been working over getting the sapling trees, the seedling trees, in their overwinter and possibly next year place, I'm over at the new property right now and just got some tree guards on all of the honey locusts, which are in between each one of the English oaks. So now I'm going to go back over and see how Thea's doing and see the rest of the tree guards I've got up. So got these tree guards. This pawpaw and that pawpaw don't look so great, but we'll keep our fingers crossed. And there's another pawpaw there, a pawpaw here. This is some of the deer rub that I talked about within the last couple of videos. This is one of my Asian pears that I love so much, and they go right around the outside of it. So this one's a goner. Unless I can take some scion wood from up above up here and then regraft it down below where it is there, but I don't know that it will survive. Oh, I missed the pawpaw, now I see it. So here's a pawpaw here in the tree guard. So I got one here, Thea planted one there, so I'll get that next. That pawpaw here, it's actually a double. This is the pawpaw that we got, the sunflower pawpaw that we got so many of the root suckers from. And this is the area that was wiped out by the top of the tree, the half of the tree that came down. So another pawpaw here. Here we have a Chinese chestnut, pawpaw, Chinese chestnut, pawpaw. And of course these are tulips and honey locusts. In here, basswood or linden, another linden, and curly willows. And this is all part of the food forest here. They knocked over, the deer knocked over one of the pawpaws, one of the Wells pawpaws over there. I just got that straightened up. So I got to get one more tree guard on that pawpaw you see now, and then we'll go up front. I neglected to mention the ginkgo trees. These are really fascinating trees. over the next couple of days. They just started dropping their leaves the day before yesterday, but they'll drop all their leaves within a week. But they are stunningly beautiful in the fall. So we got 2 of them here. There's another one right there, and you can see the flush of the bright yellow golden leaves as they fall on the forest floor. Just absolutely love the ginkgos. Let's cruise up to the area where we got the tree guards we just put in today. Got to take care of the figs, get those ready. The snow and the frost here knocked them back. This is a bald cypress down here. This is a wet area. Really beautiful tree, color in the fall. And that's a redwood right there. And so here's where they begin. And we have chestnuts and pawpaws and persimmons in these tree tubes here. So they alternate. I think I went over this the other day. Do I have another one I missed up here? I have 2 that I missed up here. Goodness gracious. And then we've got the tree tubes for the rest of the pawpaws and Chinese chestnuts over there. So we got Chinese chestnuts, persimmons, and pawpaws all down this line. And the 2 lines up front there near the road, near those spruces, are alternating Chinese chestnuts and pawpaws. So now I see I skipped 2 more trees. I better get those done now. Well, it looks like Thea finished getting all the seedling trees in. So these are Tupelo trees there, black gum. These are, well, there are a couple of white oaks here, but mostly swamp white oaks all along in here. And a couple of white oaks over here. It's hard to tell with the leaves completely down. So this is looking good. Now we have to put some hardwood bark mulch on this and the horseradish over there, then sheet mulch around the outside of it, and then wood chips on top of that. So I gotta go see how Thea's doing. There's a whole day of working up here, which and she actually cleaned up the insulation boards that I laid down here so it'll be easier to work off of. So that's it for today's video. Just putting up some tree guards, doing some regular maintenance around here, and Thea getting all of these seedling trees in for next year. Big plans for reforesting, lots and lots to do, and more varieties to come in the future. Thanks so much for watching. Stay safe, take good care of yourselves, and enjoy what's left of this beautiful weather. Cold, damp, and dark. Take care now. Bye-bye.